all right, go people. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are out here. It's a beautiful day, and we have brought our car to be cleaned at White Horse Auto Wash. This is a very well-known car wash and detailing spot, which is located right here on Richmond Highway, popularly known as Route 1 or Route 1, if you like, in the Alexandria Hebler Valley area. The address, if you want to really know where we are, is 6737 Richmond Highway, Alexandria, and the zip code is 22306. You can also call them. The phone number is 540-316-6019. Tell them what you need done and they will direct you accordingly. They do quite a lot of stuff here, but I am not paid, or I am not promoting them for any gain, just letting you know what is happening today. And they do have hours of business, typically 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. That is Monday through Saturday. And on Sunday too, they work. I'm telling you, these people work, 24, almost 24/7. Because on Sunday too, they open a little later, which is 1 hour later, which is 9 a.m. and they close at 5 p.m., which is again 1 hour earlier than the other days of the week when they close at 6 p.m. All right. As we continue watching what's going on here, let me give you a list of what happens at this car wash. A full service car wash and a detailing business, that's what it is. It offers exterior washes plus interior cleaning, vacuuming, carpets, dashboard, etc. etc. That means you can get all kinds of services here as long as you're ready to pay for them. It is known for quick turnaround. People here get very busy. Many jobs are done in under 30 minutes. And especially if all you need is a quick drive-through car wash and just cleaning the carpets inside the car and vacuuming, and also just making sure everything looks good. That happens in less than 30 minutes in most cases. Now let's look at the reputation and reviews, and I was also checking online to see what goes on and what people are saying about this car wash. It is actually very highly rated, roughly 4.7 to 4.8 stars, and the reviews are in the hundreds, which is a good thing, because then when you have so many reviews, you can have customers go through them and decide whether the bulk of them are good or bad or not worth their time. Customer, according to what I see, I saw online before I took my trip here, the customers commonly seem to praise the attention to detail, and also they say the staff are friendly and very thorough. Interior cleaning, even tough messes like pet hair, you can find them. You can see, if you visit here, you will get that. That is thorough interior cleaning, even tough messes, especially pet hair. Many people here in the US, at least on this side of the US, keep, I think it's all over the US actually, many people do keep pets, and therefore you have to think of what happens when you have pets, especially if you do give them rides in your vehicle. Many repeat customers, and also there are some sign up customers every month, and they have monthly wash plans, which makes it easier for people to save some money, especially if you are a person who likes, having your vehicle washed every now and then. All right, guys. So yeah, you see, this is what's going on here, and most people that are commenting on what goes on here say that the detail-oriented work is what they like most, and that it's not just a quick rinse as happens in some of the car washes elsewhere. Also, they say it's good value for the money and the consistent quality that they do offer across the visits. Staff often mentioned by name in those positive reviews, which is also a good thing. These are some things also to know. It is not a drive-through gas station car wash, more of a hands-on detail style. It can get busy on weekends and peak hours, commonly for because many vehicles, and some of them I've seen here are especially those that do transportation of customers, like limousines and etc. It is very common for car washes in that particular area. It's again, as I said, located along Richmond Highway, which is a high traffic commercial corridor. And here the bottom line is this White House outdoor wash is considered one of the better car wash detailing options in Alexandria and generally in the Mount Vernon area, especially if you want to have a thorough cleaning of your vehicle than a basic automated wash. Okay, now let's look at the dark side. Everything has a little bit of a dark side of it. It cannot be all rosy. Even though many reviews are very positive, some customers say that the results can be a hit or a miss. Some places, some people say that cup holders, windows, bags, etc. were found to be there, and some, cup holders not well cleaned, and an interior not fully cleaned or detailed as expected. Now I guess that's a common thing because nobody can be 100%, and this usually shows up in the lower star reviews and seems to depend on how busy they are or which staff works on your car. So some are giving accolades, praising most of the people that work here, but some also feel overcharged or upsold, saying that packages do not match the quality delivered, and also add-ons or upgrades were pushed and the results did not justify the price. Those are just some of the things that people, unsatisfied customers, have said about this car wash. A few reports do mention that there's poor communication when something went wrong, and delays or lack of follow-up on complaints. This is not widespread though, but it does come up in negative reviews. Now there's rare but serious incidents, which really, as I said, they are rare and therefore uncommon. Isolated complaints about vehicle damage during the wash process, disputes over responsibility or repairs. These are very rare, but they are worth knowing, like with any automated or semi-automated wash. And because this place is very popular, sometimes it can feel like it's too busy and rushed, so there are long waits at peak times. That's another negative, if you like, and the staff may rush through cars, and that can contribute to inconsistent quality issues. And Also, it's good to look at these other people that are saying that the service was patchy and overrated, or they did a horrible job, but never going back. Those are two, but very rare such comments in most of the reviews. And so, also in the same reviews, there are people that say solid and good experience. So you can see you have to weigh, and you have to read the comments in their entirety in order for you to make an informed decision. So even informally, the pattern is the same: good overall, but not always consistent. Bottom line is no major red flags that we have seen, like scams or widespread fraud. Negatives are mostly inconsistent cleaning quality, occasional customer service issues, just like everywhere, anywhere else, and rare complaints about damage. In practical terms, it is considered a good car wash overall, just not perfect, especially if you are very picky about detailing. Before we finish, we want to thank you for watching our video today, or even coming to visit our channel. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, and if you are new here, welcome, and please like this video, comment, share, and let's get together in this journey of vlogging. Finally, I'll talk about something called buffing. Buffing. All right, they do also offer buffing a service, and usually they are here when they talk about the buffing. What they do is really a polishing service, and they go beyond the normal car wash, and it's not always listed as a standalone menu item online, but it is typically bundled under full detailing or premium packages. Here is what actually it means in practice. At a place like this, White Horse, buffing, which is machine polishing the paint to improve appearance, make sure that light scratches are removed, like swirls and marks and minor scuffs, and oxidation removal, which is faded paint, gets restored, as well as gloss enhancement, which brings back the shine, and often it's followed by wax or sealant for protection. This is part of the broader detailing offering. They advertise full service detailing and waxing and also polishing services. This is as a make paint look newer service, not a full body shop repair, of course. How good is it? Cars come out like looking like they just came out of a showroom after detailing, which is a common phrase across locations. It's good for daily driver cars, like ones that we have some light wear, and refreshing older paints without repainting. So this is part of the things that they do here, this car wash. And I must say that buffing or polishing is exactly where skill matters most, and that is where mixed reviews tend to appear. Some people report swirl marks still visible, or uneven polishing depending on the worker. Also, they complain about Detailing stuff may work quickly, which can affect polish quality. And former worker comments on a Reddit that the comments suggest detailers sometimes rush to maximize throughout. Detailers won't rush through jobs. Sometimes they would, sometimes they would not. Expectations versus reality. This is not a high-end paint correction. If you expect deep scratch removal or multi-stage correction, you might be disappointed. But you can get, a fairly good job done on your vehicle. When is it worth it? Buffing makes sense if your car has light swirls and dull paint. You want a quick visual upgrade, or you are already getting a full detail package. When do you go elsewhere? You may want to go for a real specialist. If you are picky about paint perfection, you have a black or dark car which actually shows more swirl marks easily. Or if you want ceramic coating prep and multi-stage correction. Bottom line, the buffing service is solid, practical, mid-tire polishing, a big improvement over a normal car wash or a normal wash on your car or your vehicle for that matter, but not precision level detailing, and quality can vary depending on the crew and how busy they are. If you have gotten this far, thank you so much. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning viewer or subscriber, welcome back. But this is the bottom line. Whether you are new or returning or will come back, bottom line is we need to be together to grow this channel. So I request you to please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it if you can, make a comment down below on the stuff that we just talked about, and most importantly, tell us more down there in the comment section. What kind of videos would you like to see on this channel? And we'll try our best to get them to you, to whatever it is that you want us to film and talk about. We are here for you. Thank you so much. I'll leave it there. Once again, thank you and God bless. See you in the next one.
Iya, amigo. Iya. Iya.